All right, yo, check what's going on. This your boy JMJ from Yo Check It Projects, all right? And I think, actually, this is my first Yo Check It project of the year, all right? So I'm going to be doing an unboxing of my Surface Edge Pro, all right? So let's see what we got here. It just came in the mail yesterday. All right, wrapped up in a nice tight package and secure. Got my little scissors right here. Get it out, see what we got. All right, so if you don't know what a Surface Edger is, it's for when you're detailing your sidewalk, all right? Cleaning your sidewalk, the pavement, all right? And I bought it this year. It's been like 5 years since I cleaned my sidewalk because of the elements, you know? So now I got a pretty good idea how long it takes in between when I have to power wash the sidewalks, all right? But when you use the regular nozzle to clean your sidewalk, the edger prevents the mud, the dirt, from getting wet and splashing all over the place. And then when you use the disc, the pavement clean, it also causes flooding. All right, so that's where the edger comes into. Just like when you trimming your lawn with the trimmer, this is the same thing. You put it up against the curb, and I like it because it got wheels on it too. Got the wheels right there to keep you steady, and it just rolls right along, and it angles. So when the water actually hits it, it just pretty much rolls off to the side and not splashes in the dirt. All right, so that's a plus. And my power washer right here, you have to put the wand and then you attach the nozzle to it. And like I said, you just pretty much roll it along your curb, not your curb, but the grass, the edge grass, so you won't get all that water build up and dirt and mud splashing all over the place. All right, so just a quick unboxing of my Surface Edger that just came in the mail yesterday. I can't wait to get out there and detail my sidewalk because it's been 5 years and it's looking kind of like not pavement gray, looking like dirty gray now. All right, so this been your boy JMJ, Yo Check It Projects, and I'll see ya on my next project. All right.